Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to help you lose weight faster with simple, effective steps that actually work. You're trying hard, but something is still stopping you from losing weight. And the truth is, weight loss becomes easy when you follow 5 simple daily rules. Rule 1. Exercise every day. Even a light workout helps. And make sure you walk at least 20 minutes daily. Rule 2. Drink plenty of water to keep your body active and your metabolism running. Rule 3. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Your body burns fat better when it's rested. Rule 4. Stay happy and avoid stress. A calm mind supports a healthy body. Rule 5. Eat clean, healthy food that fuels your goals. Follow these 5 rules and you will lose weight. And now, to make your journey even easier, I'm going to share 15 powerful recipes that will help you lose weight faster. Let's begin! Every morning on an empty stomach, I start with my simple weight loss drink. 1 spoon of chia seeds soaked in water for an hour, then mixed with fresh lemon and a touch of honey. The chia keeps me full and supports digestion. The lemon boosts metabolism and detoxification, and that honey gives natural energy without spikes. Together, they help reduce cravings, improve gut health, and set the tone for a lighter, cleaner day. If you drink coffee, you can start your morning with black coffee for a simple weight loss boost. It's low calorie, fires up your metabolism, and helps burn fat faster. Plus, it cuts cravings and gives clean energy without sugar. 1 cup on an empty stomach can kickstart your day and your results. To lose weight, this green power juice is your new best friend. I blended green apple, cucumber, spinach, and a squeeze of lemon, and every ingredient works for you. Green apple gives natural sweetness and fiber to keep you full. Cucumber hydrates and helps reduce bloating. Spinach loads your body with iron and nutrients without adding calories. And lemon boosts digestion and metabolism. Drink it in the morning or 1 hour before workout and you'll feel lighter, fresher, and energized to stay on track with your weight loss journey. This is a super filling melon shake that's perfect for your weight loss journey. I soak dates, almonds, walnuts, cashew, pistachios, chia seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds overnight so they become soft and easy to blend. In the morning, I add melon, or you can use banana or any fruit you like and blend everything into a smooth, creamy shake. This drink is amazing for weight loss because it's packed with fiber, healthy fats, and natural sweetness. It keeps you full for hours, boosts your energy, and helps control cravings. For breakfast today, you can make a simple but powerful bowl of plain oats cooked in milk, then topped it with almonds, walnuts, and fresh banana. This combo is amazing for weight loss and clean energy. Oats are rich in fiber, especially beta-glucan, which keeps you full for hours and helps control cravings. Milk adds high-quality protein to support muscle repair and boost metabolism. Almonds and walnuts bring healthy fats that keep blood sugar. And the banana gives natural sweetness, potassium, and quick energy without processed sugar. When you are trying hard to lose weight but still crave something sweet, this strawberry chia pudding is the perfect guilt-free dessert. I blended fresh strawberries with a little honey and milk, poured it into a bowl, added 1 spoon of chia seeds, and let it chill in the fridge. Once it thickened, I mixed it well and topped it with more strawberries. Chia seeds are amazing for weight loss. They're full of fiber, which keeps you full and helps control cravings. Strawberries add natural sweetness and antioxidants without extra calories, and the honey gives just enough flavor to satisfy your sweet tooth. Weight loss breakfast toast. It's creamy, crunchy, and packed with healthy energy. Perfect for mornings when you stay fit and full. To make this toast, I start by peeling a fresh avocado, cutting it into pieces and putting it in a bowl. Then I add fresh chopped garlic and 1 boiled egg. This gives the toast its high protein power. Chili pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice for flavor and freshness. Now I mash everything together. For crunch, I add some lettuce and mix it lightly. Then I spread this beautiful green mixture over a slice of toasted bread. The base for our healthy breakfast. On top, I add a few cucumber slices and tomato pieces for color and freshness. It looks amazing, smells fresh, and tastes even better, full of protein, fiber, and healthy fats that help with weight loss and keep you energized all morning. This super refreshing fruit salad for your weight loss journey. I added lots of fresh fruits, and you can use any fruits you like. At the end, I drizzle a little honey for natural sweetness. This is the perfect mid-morning snack because it's low calorie, high fiber, and keeps you full while boosting your energy. Add this to your daily diet and you'll feel lighter, fresher, and more active. This is light and refreshing weight loss snack. Grated cucumber mixed into cool yogurt with a pinch of salt and a little cumin powder. Cucumber keeps you hydrated and low calorie. Yogurt gives protein and supports gut health. And cumin helps digestion and reduces bloating. It's filling, clean, and perfect. When you want something tasty that still supports your weight loss goals. To lose weight, baked sweet potatoes are one of the smartest snacks you can make. I sliced them, added a little salt, garlic powder, oregano, chili flakes, and just a touch of olive oil. Then bake them until soft and golden. Sweet potatoes are packed with fiber, which keeps you full longer and helps control cravings. The spices boost flavor without adding calories, and the olive oil gives you healthy fats that support digestion. It's delicious, satisfying, and perfect for staying on track with your weight loss journey. This is high-protein salad for strong muscle and good metabolism. To make this salad, mix cucumber, carrots, green peppers, tomatoes, lettuce, black chickpeas, and chickpeas all together. Add 1 spoon of vinegar, olive oil, and salt. Mix them nicely. You can add any vegetables of your choice too. Enjoy this high-protein salad. And this vegetable omelet is a simple, delicious high-protein omelet that's perfect for anyone on a weight loss journey. I start by whisking my eggs with a little salt. Then I add chopped onions, tomatoes, mushrooms, and fresh spinach. These veggies add fiber and nutrients that keep you full without adding many calories. I pour the mixture into a hot pan and cook it until it's soft, fluffy, and golden. This omelet is amazing because it's high in protein, low in calories, and keeps your cravings under control. Protein helps you stay full longer and supports your metabolism while you lose weight. You can enjoy this as a snack or turn it into a full meal by adding steamed vegetables or a slice of brown bread. It's quick, healthy, and perfect for busy days. This is a quick and healthy tortilla omelet that's perfect for weight loss journey. I start by cracking my eggs into a bowl and adding a little salt, black pepper, chopped onions, and fresh coriander leaves. This mix is light, full of flavor, and packed with protein to keep you full longer. I pour the mixture onto a hot pan and let it cook until it starts to set. Then I place a tortilla right on top and flip it so both sides cook beautifully. The egg sticks to the tortilla and creates this amazing, satisfying meal that feels comforting but stays low calorie. It's simple and filling. This high-protein wheat quesadilla is a simple, filling meal that's perfect for anyone on a weight loss journey. I start by heating a little oil in the pan and adding garlic for flavor. Then I toss in chopped tomatoes or tomato puree and cook it until it becomes soft and rich. I season it with oregano, salt, black pepper, and if you like heat, a little chili pepper too. Next, I add boiled kidney beans. These are amazing for weight loss because they're packed with protein and fiber. I mix everything together and mash it lightly so it becomes thick and creamy. Let it cook for a minute to bring all the flavors together. Now I take my whole wheat tortillas, spread the bean mixture, and add a little cheese or skip the cheese if you're on a strict plan. Sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes on top. Fold it, and cook both sides until crispy and golden. This quesadilla is high in protein, high in fiber, and keeps you full for hours. It's delicious, healthy, and perfect for your weight loss journey. This is a super simple high protein baked chicken that's perfect for your weight loss journey. In a bowl, I mix a little mayo or olive oil with thyme, oregano, garlic powder, or fresh garlic, salt, and black pepper. This gives amazing flavor without adding many calories. I take my chicken breast, which is naturally packed with lean protein, and coat it really well with this mixture. Then I let it marinate for 1 hour so the flavors soak in. After that, I bake it until it's perfectly cooked, juicy, and golden. You can enjoy it with steamed veggies or a slice of whole wheat bread. Satisfying dinner that helps you stay on track with your weight loss goals. With the right lifestyle and a balanced, low-calorie diet, you can burn fat faster and transform your body. Follow these simple rules consistently, and you'll see amazing results. Nothing can stop you from reaching your weight loss goals. If you'd like more healthy recipes to support your journey, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep shining.